Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's been a while. It's me again, Gino Mendoza. And for today's video guys, another episode of unboxing ang ating gagawin, which is in-order ko na item sa Amazon.ae. And if you are interested, please keep on watching. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe and tap the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next video, just like this one. Alright guys, let's start to unbox this item that I bought in Amazon.ae, which is the Ulanzi phone clip and Ulanzi MT Extendable Mini Tripod. I will put the link in the description box below kung saan nyo siya ma-order at kung magkano siya. So, ito yung item na to guys. I'm a member of Amazon Prime. That's why it's very convenient to order in Amazon. Within 2 days, na-receive ko tong item na to. So ayan guys, start na natin i-unbox itong item na to. At eto siya. Ayan. From Amazon. So buksan na natin guys. So okay naman yung packaging niya. Actually, I already sanitized this item since na-receive ko siya last February 1. So na-sanitize ko na siya. At ganito siya kalaki. So nabili ko tong item na to sa Amazon. 37.50. And yung phone clip niya is 36.50 dirhams. Kaya okay na okay at sulit na sulit tong item na to. So, simulan na natin i-open. Papel, nilaman siyang papel. So, ito siya guys. And ito yung clip. So, yung brand niya is Ulanzi. So, this is the item na nasa loob ng box. So, itong tripod na to, itong mini tripod na to, it costs 47.50 dirham. And itong mobile clip na to, it costs 36.50 dirham. So, ang brand niya is Ulanzi. And this. So, na-adjust siya sa side na to. Naikot siya kung gusto mo siyang i-adjust. And then, meron siyang pang-lock. So, this is the best tripod sa mga YouTuber or small YouTuber na nag-start pa lang. Na pwede mong gamitin outside. So, ayan siya guys. And this is extendable actually. And guys, hilahin mo lang siya. Ayan, 3 layer. And ganyan siya kalaki. Mini lang talaga siya. Ayan. So ayan na guys, na-unbox na natin yung Ulanzi mini tripod and mobile hook. Ngayon, I will show you how to assemble this item. So in the top of this mini tripod, there's a screw, and then on the bottom of the mobile rig or mobile clip, there is a hook, and then you can attach like this, and that's it. And then this mini tripod is expandable. Alright, and then you can open this lock so that you can paste or flip the mobile clip, same like this. And then this mobile rig also, or this mini tripod also, there's a stand for sit on vlogs, and then for outside vlog, something like this, like a tripod or a selfie stick. And then in this part of this mobile rig or mobile clip, there is a hook that you can put your microphone. Alright, so this is very cheap item from Amazon, and if you like this item, I can put the link on the description box. Please visit my YouTube channel. And again guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next upload. Again guys, thank you for watching and salute!